maglabas ka lang daw ng tamang-tama pangkain mo lahat at saka yung pamasahe. Kasi hindi mo rin pwedeng iwanan sa hotel, baka manakaw. Ayan, ikot ng ikot. O yan, oo. Yan, nakita ko yan.
Where it meets the sea.
Iniikot niya,
There are more boats, people laughing, and a lot of movement. And this is also where you can enjoy a dance performance from local boatmen or even join in. Payment is 100,000 dong each for the dance experience. And I would also recommend bringing extra cash for tips as the boatmen work hard to make the tour fun and safe. There were also other fun stops like a mini stage where you could sing along, watch fishermen throw their nets, or try the sweet water coconut. It was a simple but unforgettable experience, and it was amazing to see how the local community
pero pwede mo naman i-request daw na huwag yung mabilis na.
Oo. Ano yan, nilagalaka yan na, you know, yung
ang tawag nila dyan, basket ride.
Oo, basket ride.
Kasama sa tour package yan yung basket ride na yun.
Mga kasama ko sa ospital na, hindi pwedeng hindi sila mag-tour ng taon-taon. 3 times a year pa sila. Saan-saan sila nakakarating. Tapos yung isa, pupunta kami sa ano eh.
Bawas naman sa tax ata pag nag-tour ka.
Bawas ba yan lahat?
Oo, sa States. Kaya yung iba
ay sa ospital.
tutur parati.
Tapos ano, meron pa yung sa pupunta kami sa Iceland. Titignan, alam ko na titignan nyo doon yung Aurora Lights, sabi ko.
Radyo Burlati.
Tapos, buti ka pa ate ko rin talaga. Ang dami mo nang, ang dami mo nang napunta. Maganda yung bilitan ng mamasyon.
Hindi naman parati yung malabas.
Bilitan ng mamasyon. Kung saan na sila pupunta, alam ko yung main na makikita nila doon eh. Ang hilig ko manood ng travel eh. Nung nakaraan, di ba nanonood tayo ng Vietnam?
We're riding a big boat and then we'll be doing lantern later.
Hoi An ancient town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a perfect example of a Southeast Asian trading port from the 15th
Marami naman din napapasyalan
so
dyan
must
sa
see in
Nalo.
Vietnam. There are plenty of things to do here, but the lantern boat tour is
Merienda
Hoi
na
An's
kayo.
famous
May
rice
order
lanterns,
ka
which are
naman.
marked
Ako,
with
busog na busog pa kami.
Chinese and Japanese trading.
Ang dami na akong kinain. Kami ay hindi na magtatagal.
Good luck and
Kasi,
happiness. They even have an
kami
annual
baka
lantern
mamaya,
festival, which this year
malakas ang
falls on
ulan.
February 12. We happen to go for this 103 Vietnamese long
Inlet
and
yan.
funny
Saan?
boat
Inlet.
ride is so romantic
Oh.
and unforgettable.
Pagka yung malaksan niya,
Exactly
walang
how
kapagod
Chinese
mga
boat
bahay.
paper will take
O, kunan kita ng picture na po.
Sige.
Kayong dalawa ni Robby.
Dali ka dito. Ay, hindi ka makaupo dito. Ayan, ganito tayo. Ayan,
Wish we had more time to explore. It was a perfect way to end this day and actually
Ayan.
sunset.
Tayo na ang mga anak.
Wow.
Mihi na kayo. Ay, andun na. Doon na, kita na yung tiyan ko malaki.